Here's my 1997 Kawasaki KX250. This has been in my family for many years, and I decided to do a ground-up restoration on it. It was already in decent shape, and had a new top end put on it, and had just been sitting in a heat and air conditioned garage of my cousin's. So I did a ground-up restore down to the frame, and I'm going to show you some of that now. So everything was powder coated, every last nut and bolt, wire, etc. was touched, replaced, whatever. All original equipment parts were used and sourced where I could. There's also a good deal of aftermarket parts on there, which I'll point out as well. So it's a KX250, and all the cables have been replaced. The carburetor has been completely rebuilt, although this was in full running shape before I started on it. We've got new shift levers on it. It's got works connection aftermarket pieces, both for the side guards and also for the triple clamp, which I'll show you. Brand new chains, sprockets, wheels have all been vapor blasted. I got a vapor blaster, so most of the parts on the restoration, including the engine, were vapor blasted. Also, there's a brand new Boyesen fiber valve in there. This thing is, with the FMF pipe and muffler on, is pushing over 50 horsepower. It's quite peppy. The factory shock was completely rebuilt, and brand new Racetech springs and Racetech internals in there, the bladder and everything. It's all Racetech parts, so that's completely brand new. All the brakes have been replaced, brand new pistons. Didn't shortcut anything. Got a ton of money in parts. That's a brand new original equipment brake on there that I powder coated black, along with these really expensive aftermarket solid forged pegs. It's an FMF Gold Series pipe, and the muffler is FMF as well. So you can see in there, I just took it around the yard to make sure the jetting was good. There's this is Factor Concepts, is the triple clamp on there. Forks have been reworked, all new seals, all new bearings and everything. The wheel bearings and seals brand new. Again, the front brand new pistons, brand new hydraulic lines. The only original line on it is this hydraulic line, which was in really nice shape, as you can see, for the rear brake. All the bearings in the dogs, top and bottom of the shock, have been replaced. The only thing I did on the engine was new water seals, water pump seals. These were notorious for the water pump seals being worn out. I didn't want to take a chance with that, so both of those have been replaced, and the bearing that's in there. The radiators are in beautiful shape. We're talking all new plastic on the bike. There's not any original plastic anymore. Everything's new. The guards, the bars are rental. Seat has been recovered. My cousin had already done that. And it's a great running bike. You can look at the video here of it running. It's a beauty. Ground up restore. One of about 10 that I've done of various types. You can look at my other videos and see the quality of what I do.